Hey, this is the Kubota bx1500. Shoot another maintenance video here. Actually, I already did it. Decided to do a post maintenance video. I changed the oil on it. Thought I'd show you guys how I did it. On this tractor, made it a lot easier by taking the part of the hood assembly off. As you can see there, you can just kind of access a lot more stuff, like the oil filter. It's down here to the side. You can get to it without taking it off, but I had to take it off anyway to get to the fuel filter on the other side. So, but let's see here. The first of all, drain plug here on the bottom, right there. Pull the drain plug, drain the oil. I pulled the cap off, vent it, then go over there and pull your filter, let that drain out. I let that for a few minutes so I could drain out real good. Then put the plug back in. Then I got my new filter from Kubota and installed that. Make sure you put a little bit of oil on the O-ring on the filter. Make sure your old filter wasn't stuck to the surface before you install it. And then I put my oil in. I didn't use Kubota's oil. What I used was I went to O'Reilly's and I used the Rotella. It's a synthetic blend 1030, and it held 2.1 quarts, and that's about it. It's a pretty simple procedure, so hope that helps out. Thanks for watching.